This is Alessandra Barrett, Special Projects Editor of the Journal of Commerce. I'm at the Trans-Pacific Maritime Conference in Long Beach with Kim Lee, Director of CargoSmart North America. Thanks for speaking with us today, Kim. Kim, it's no secret that our industry relies heavily on the accuracy of sailing schedules. From your vantage point, why is that so important to shippers and NVOs?
Sailing schedule is the foundation for contract management process. The routes and transit times are the basis for carrier selection, whereas the carrier reliability and services is the basis for contract negotiations.
Okay.
And the schedules drive the routing guide to allow customers to make more accurate and more cost-effective bookings. And finally, the transit times, the actual transit arrival times, allows customers to plan their deliveries.
Are you seeing market changes in terms of ocean carrier schedules?
We're seeing a lot of vessel changes, and because of carrier alliances and also with carriers changing their vessel capacity to meet demands. For instance, for a top 20 carrier, we have seen on average 3,000 updates daily.
When does the quality of the sailing schedules really impact the shippers and NVOs?
Technology solution providers are revolutionizing how companies are leveraging schedules as competitive advantage tools today. For instance, NVOs are now publishing schedules to promote their services. And two, sailing schedule reliability allows customers to optimize their routes. And lastly, and most importantly, customers can now look up their rates, compare it against the transit time and live schedules.
When you say high quality data, what determines or defines that?
There are three factors: data accuracy, data source, and data analytics. The three sources comes from, the first is the carrier marketing schedules, the second is the actual schedule itself, which is the reality of the vessel services and their performance. And then lastly is the AIS data, which is the GPS data directly from vessels. And what we've done is we are validating the data from all these sources to create a comprehensive current schedule.
Can you give me an example of data in practice?
For instance, a carrier can publish 14 days transit, whereas the reality is the actual schedule may be 16 days. Utilizing our applications, customers can look at the transit time patterns to realize the true carrier performance.
And for those who aren't yet working with schedules in this way, what advice do you have for integrating them into the contract process?
I would recommend customers adopt the sailing schedule throughout the contract management process to ensure that they have selected the best performing carrier at the best rates, especially during the rate negotiations and booking stage.
Well, thanks for speaking with us today, Kim.
Thank you.
We were speaking with Kim Lee, Director of CargoSmart North America.